y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat, here at the shop today, AUDIOZONE at 1230 North Beltline Road here in Irving, Texas. We want to first of all thank you guys for watching, thank you guys for the subscriptions, thank you guys for the likes and the comments. Really means a lot to us, man. Like, we keep on growing this channel thanks to you guys. We've already hit over 11,500 subscribers. That's a great accomplishment, man, but we owe it all first of all to God and also to you guys for the support. Today I want to bring this to your attention. We have something that we're doing today. I want you to follow me what we're looking at. We have a Mercedes-Benz S-Class, okay? As you can tell, it does have the gloss black wrap. It does have the psychedelic wrap on the vehicle itself, but this is what makes this car unique, man. It becomes to a customer of ours who brought it to the shop today, says, Jeff, I want to make my Mercedes-Benz different. I want to do something to this car that nobody else has in a Mercedes-Benz. I want to make it look, as you can tell, he's been trying to make it unique and different, and he's doing his job. But he said, Jeff, what can we do? I said, well, you know one thing I have never seen, what? A Mercedes-Benz with RGB halo lights done customly made. And he said, well, what do you mean about that, Jeff? I said, well, look, if we look inside this vehicle, if you look inside here, guys, we have some areas that we can actually do some flowing on it. We could do something to it. So I told him, listen, man, they don't make a kit for it. In fact, if you go to the website, you'll see that there is not a kit made for Mercedes-Benz. He told me, Jeff, so what can you do? I said, I guarantee you that me and my team could custom make our own kit for this vehicle, how everyone designed it. He goes, Jeff, you think you could do it? I said, yes. He said, okay, let's do it. So we got the car dropped off today. We're gonna be taking off these headlights from this vehicle to install our own custom-made one-off. Nobody has them. They don't make a kit. We're truthfully gonna make it on our own. We have to open the lights, design it on our own. It does not exist. And we're gonna make this car happen today when we do a custom kit. So we're probably gonna throw some halos or maybe some flow series. I don't know what we're gonna do until we get into the vehicle, but as of right now, we got the car here to the shop. We're gonna have the boys start to dismantle this car, to take off the front bumper, take off the lights. Give me the lights, I'm gonna have them crack them open, and then we're gonna put some surgery to see what it is that we can come up as a team to make this happen. Today, have some lights included in this car. If you don't know these cars, man, they're very finicky. I don't like to work on them a lot. I've owned a couple. The bad part with a Mercedes-Benz is anything that you break ends up costing you a lot of money. It's not cheap. It is very, very expensive for anything that you break. So I told my guys this morning to take their time, make sure they give me the lights, let's have it, let's do it, let's create it. But I'm gonna show you this S-Class if y'all have never seen them. This is one of the most luxurious cars that Mercedes-Benz has. It's double tablet. You see a big screen and a big screen. I mean, they're really just luxury cars, man, all the way around. And another thing that makes this car beautiful is, check this out, y'all. I'm a 6-foot guy. Look how much room I have in the back seat. Beautiful. This is what luxury is about to be. You got your little visors back here for your little mirrors. You got all the stuff. You got your little personal sunroof back here if you want to have it open. So in reality, you have a luxury car, and at the same time, the trunk of this car is also ridiculously big, man. So let me show you what we're talking about. So you're talking about having room to do whatever, man. This goes all the way down there. So we got the privilege of doing this car today. We're about to start getting the dismembling of the car. I'm a little nervous, you know what I'm saying, but I'm not really too scared because that's what I do every day. But we're gonna definitely get this car apart, take it apart, get the headlights apart, and create a one-off custom series light for this Mercedes-Benz. Stay tuned and you can see the car getting ripped apart and for the build of this. Josh is over here in the building beginning to do the disassembly on the beautiful Mercedes-Benz that you guys are seeing here in the shop today. He is actually on one side right now. This is a finicky car. Look at that, guys. Twin turbo, V8. I think y'all see that right, look. V8, twin turbos, y'all. But Josh is the beginning of the dismantling to get this car out of here. Josh, how you feeling right now, honestly?
This ain't gonna be hard.
Uh-huh?
It won't be bad.
It's gonna be, you're a little nervous though. Okay, you know that light right there could have cost your arm and a leg if it breaks. Yes, sir. But let me show you something else we got going on here. We got a beautiful Charger that came in today. I can't tell you guys truthfully, man, I really, really do love the color of this car, man. This is actually a beautiful color of this car. And we're gonna be doing something for him. Let me show y'all. Back here, there's something missing, y'all. What do you see is missing in this trunk? He's got no bang. Beautiful car, 4-inch pipes, all the upgrades, but no bang. Watch this in a few minutes and we get done with it, y'all. So we're here at the shop, guys. We'll be knocking this out in a few minutes. I'll keep y'all posted as we get these rolls. This is what the Mercedes-Benz is looking like. As you could tell, that's the Benzo. I would know that an owner of a car would hate to see their car this way, but this car has been completely removed at this point in time. Headlights are apart, and I'm gonna bring you to the workbench where he is now working. He's already separated the headlight, as you guys could tell right here. The whole headlight's apart. Even this piece, which is the DLRs from factory, are coming off the car. Now look at this really cool stuff. You see how the lights in this car are shaped like a teardrop? That's some beautiful stuff there. So he's actually doing a custom build right now to give this car a unique look. That he is working right now doing a custom build on this Mercedes-Benz, guys. So Right now what we're doing, guys, is we should have this out hopefully within a few hours. Hopefully the customer's happy with what we did. It's a one-off build. Nobody's done it. We're going to do it for the client. Make sure he's happy. So stay tuned for the end of the. So we're in the shop, man. We got my guy up in the building here. State your name for the camera, man.
Big Joe.
Big Joe, he's the one that owns that beautiful Charger outside, which I'm about to give him the keys. And I'm about to go show him a demo of what he sounded like to see what y'all think about it. So give me a few seconds. I'll be right back. Door. And we're looking for the beautiful blue one, which y'all saw in the bay a minute ago. It is here, and it is going to be going for him. Let's take a look at the trunk so I can show you what we got done. And then we can have let's see what the customer thinks about it in a few seconds that we get this going for him, man. So let me walk him through what he has and show him what's going on. So look, right now we have, of course, the two Nemesis subwoofers in the bad boy with the big box ready to go. Then we have, let me show you, unlock the doors and pull down the seat, pull down the other seat for him. Thank God that truck just left. We have the Nemesis 3K installed right there, all nice and clean and ready to go. Now we're gonna come for the moment of truth where he gets to hear it and gets to see what the results are gonna be. So I'm gonna have to probably just edit this audio out, but I'm gonna go with him in the car. I'm not gonna cut the video just so you can see his face. Alrighty. So now we're in the car. Let's get some music playing and see what you give me. Bad and Bougie. Alrighty, here we go, guys. We have just listened to the car. I want to know what your reaction is.
Yo, everything that I was promised is what I got. Let me tell you something. I've never had anything Nemesis ever. If you question on what you should go with Nemesis. Go with the F series. Don't play no games. They're gonna deliver.
It's gonna be 100%, man. They're actually, a Nemesis is a great brand. I know the owner of the company personally. There are a lot of details behind Nemesis. You compare a lot to Sundown Audio. They are really an amazing company. The price points right now are amazing. So you're able to get top-notch stuff without having to pay that price right now because they're barely getting the name out, which is a great thing. But I love them personally too, man. They're an awesome brand. They hit hard, they're dependable. The warranty is the other thing. I don't want to get into it, but I'm gonna tell you, whenever it comes to warranty, look at the problem you go with a lot of manufacturers. If you have a Sundown woofer or whatever happens and it blows out or something happens to it, they make you send it out to Sundown, they inspect it, they fix it, and they send it back to you. You could be a couple weeks without an audio system at that point. They don't want to do a warranty exchange. With Nemesis, anything happens on the spot, I exchange it for you, you're good to go, and you keep on rolling your life, and they warranty for me, which is another thing that we like, because it's about customer service. You have an audio system in your car, and it fails, we want to get it done for you as soon as possible. Maybe an hour or so, get you out the door, get you banging again. And because they stand behind us the way they do, that's why we stand behind them. And up to the date, I'm really impressed. So I'm glad that you're impressed. This was signed, sealed, and delivered, guys. This will be going out now. He's going to be banging for the whole weekend and the whole week and enjoying himself. So stay posted now. We get back to the Mercedes-Benz. All right, guys. So I'm going to give you guys an update of exactly what's going on. We have the Mercedes-Benz back together again. He's beginning to put the headlights back on this Mercedes-Benz. As you can see, they're looking good right there. Being installed, getting this ready to wrap up. We got my boy Josh up in the building, man, aka the best tech in DFW, Texas, America, Canada, whatever you want to call it, man. He is in the building getting this done. He's very serious when he's in his work. He's getting this one knocked out so we can go ahead and do basically a test run on it and make sure that everything's 100%. So we just stay tuned and we'll give you the result of the Mercedes-Benz as we finish it in a few. To the finale where we're coming up together. We got Gordo and Josh up in the building getting this beautiful Mercedes-Benz that's wrapped in that beautiful, beautiful psychedelic. I don't know if y'all can tell, but like a pearl color gray. They're actually putting the car together. You can see the headlights are already here, installed on the vehicle, and the guys are working on getting it done. So right now we're gonna be working with guys that's pretty much getting this thing situated, getting ready for delivery for the customer. And we're still, hold on y'all. Getting this ready for delivery for the customer to get this to the guy. And hopefully like what we've done, man, it can one off and we'll show you what it looks like before the customer gets to see it. All right, crew, so we're here at the end of this build on the Mercedes-Benz. We have the owner of the Mercedes-Benz here. I don't know how much money he made, but he got custom wrap, he got custom everything in the Mercedes S-Class. And if you look at him, look, it's simple. You see, this is how you know when people got big money, when they look like that. He's just real simple, real chill. But look at the thing, he brought up a car, he wanted a project done. He has a Mercedes S-Class. He wanted to do something to make it different. Like I already showed you guys, the wrap he did is different. Everything in the car is unique and different. So we said, you know what, we have an idea of what we can do. We have an idea of what we can do to the vehicle. We gave him an idea. He said to do it. He wanted to run on purple, right? That's the color you want. That's the purple. So I went and I get it. Because you can do any color you want to on the car, but I know you were gonna pick it up. So I put it purple. But I'm gonna give you a second. I'm gonna show you something in a minute. Hold on.
Okay.
Let me get some colors going.
Okay, he's having to get some colors going. Oh,
Yeah, let me show you this here. Now I'm gonna download the app, but let me show you. So not only do you have the purple, but from the phone, you can control. Let me just get in here and get all this going here. Okay, so now, from the app, you can actually come in the car. You can make them.
No, don't talk about.
Green,
that's what I'm talking about right
blue,
there. Now we get somewhere. Now we get
I told you.
Now we
any
get
color that
somewhere.
you want to go to, man.
Yeah, now we can do that turquoise again. Oh man, yeah.
That's our favorite color, bro.
Bro.
Bro, every car we get, bro, that's the color our stuff be
So now
on.
I'm going to give you some enlightenment of some stuff that I want to show you in the vehicle. One thing I want to show you is there's other options that you do have. So if you decide to make this glow in your grill, we can do it. You want to make this glow also, we can. If you want to do the underglow, you can too, to make it unique and different. It is actually what you're seeing is, you're seeing a reflection of the lights. The lights are installed on the top, but you're seeing the reflection, so it gives it like the factory look that you have when these turn on, they call pixel. That's how you got that in there. My question is, you came to the shop, you wanted something done, we did our thing. How do you feel about it?
Man, that's why I've been coming here since 2010. It's like my 300, and then the truck, and then the other 300. This is my fourth car here.
In fact, let me tell you guys something about this guy. This guy here, I remember when you drove the 300, he had a problem because the fallopian tube were loose. Do you remember that? Oh, how did we fix that?
Yep. I don't know how the hell y'all did it, but you did it, and nobody else can do it.
You know what a fallopian tube is?
Having slides out there.
So now I got a question for you.
Yeah, I had the slightest idea.
You don't know how we fixed it. The fallopian tube is the internals of a woman. The fallopian tube.
I didn't want to go there. You know, in my mind, that's what I'm thinking. I'm like, I don't know.
It's good, but man, I want to tell you one thing. We want to thank you for giving us a chance to serve you again,
Hey,
even though it's been many
sure.
years, and we hope we serve you for many more years.
Oh, yeah.
And the only rule you have, if you're driving the car, there's a module inside the dash that controls all the colors. So if you're driving the car, you see any smoke come out of the car, get out the car, call 911, your car's on fire.
Damn.
Guys, this is the end of this video. I want to thank y'all for watching. Y'all be good and God bless.